let us consider another example. The cost of a car is 2,50,000 rupees. The cost of a car is 2,50,000 rupees. And cost of a motorbike is 50,000 rupees. Motorbike is equal to 50,000 rupees. Here we have to compare these two cost of the car and the cost of the bike. So we can find the difference between the cost of two vehicles, that is 2,50,000 minus 50,000. We get 2 lakh rupees. The difference between the cost of car and the motorbike is 50,000, right? Then let us compare this in another way, that is by division. Let us compare. So when we compare by division, we get cost of car divided by cost of motorbike is equal to 2,50,000 rupees divided by 50,000. Let us cancel these 4 zeros. Then we get 25 by 5. Let us divide 25 by 5. Then we get 5 divided by 1. Right? So that we get 5 by 1. So from this, in the first case we have compared using finding the difference. Then we got the difference in the cost, 20,000 rupees. And here you see when we divided, we got 5 by 1. From this it is clear that the cost of the car is 5 times greater than the cost of the motorbike. And the cost of the car is 5 times more than the cost of the motorbike. But in the first case, by difference, when we found, we got the difference 2 lakh. And which method is good for you? I think this division method is more clearer than the previous method, that is finding the difference. Now let us see one more example. Weight of Isha is equal to 25 kg. So the weight of Isha, that is Isha's weight is 25 kg and her father's weight. Father's weight is equal to 75 kg. Now we have to compare how many times Isha's father weight is more than Isha. So let us see. That is by division method, if we do, we can understand 75 is the weight of Isha's father and 25 is the weight of Isha. 25 3 times we get 75, 3 by 1. So when we divide, we get 3 by 1. From this we can understand Isha's father is 3 times more weight than Isha. And Isha's father's weight is 3 times greater than Isha's weight. Right? So here also we have compared their weights by division method. Right? Now let us see one more example. The cost of a pen is equal to rupees 2. Here we have to compare and which cost is greater and by how much. Okay, how many times? Not by how much, by how many times the cost of the pen is greater than the cost of pencil. Here also let us divide and see. Cost of pen 10 rupees and divided by cost of pencil 2 rupees, then 10 by 2. When we cancel, we get 5 times 2 is 10 and here we get 1. That is equal to 5 by 1, and we can understand here the cost of the pen is 5 times greater than the cost of the pencil. And this way, in all these 3 examples, we have seen that when we compared by division method, it is easy or it is clear to us, more clear to us, isn't it? So, this way of comparison is known as comparison by division method, and it is also known as ratio.